Hello lovely people, welcome back to Absolute GA channel. Today we are going to prepare Ghana Tom Brown. First, let's go over the ingredients. We have rice, the local rice. I'm using the local rice. You can use the perfume one if you have that one. I'm also going to use wheat, millet, and then soya beans. First, you have to wash all the ingredients and dry it in the sun for it to be well dried. As you are drying it, you go back round and then to stir and make sure it is well dried. But for the soya beans, it is hard, so you have to boil it for at least 10 to 15 minutes depending on the quantity you are using. So after boiling it, you sieve it and then dry that one too in the sun for it to be well dried. After drying all the ingredients in the sun, you toast it on the stove, or you can toast it in your oven. I toasted mine in an oven, so please pardon me, I couldn't capture it for you. But if you don't have oven and you have stove, you can just toast it on the stove. So after toasting your ingredients, you blend it or you send it to the miller. So I'm demonstrating it to you. Please, if the miller does not have a particular machine for milling Tom Brown, please and please again ask him to clean the corn mill machine very well. Otherwise, you might have a different taste for the Tom Brown. Please blend it for at least 3 times to make sure that it is well blended, and when you feel the texture, it should be very smooth. Thank you all for watching. Until we meet next time,